In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your LinkedIn profile picture in just 5 minutes. First things first, let's head over to the LinkedIn website. If you're not already logged in, you'll find two convenient options right off the bat. Sign in with Google or continue with your account. Occasionally, LinkedIn might ask you to complete a CAPTCHA for that extra layer of security, ensuring it's really you. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right of the screen. You'll see your current profile photo, or if you haven't set one up yet, a placeholder image. Click on that. After clicking on your profile photo, you'll be taken to a drop-down menu with several options. From there, select View Profile to go to your LinkedIn profile. This is where all the magic happens. Now, hovering over your profile picture, or again the placeholder if you haven't set one up, you'll notice it prompts you to make a change. That's exactly what we're here for, so go ahead and click on your photo. Next, you'll see an option that says Add Photo. Click on it. This is your gateway to updating your professional image on the platform. Here's where you need to make a decision based on your current situation. If you have a photo ready to go, click Upload to select a file from your computer. Or if you're feeling spontaneous, you can choose Use Camera to take a photo right then and there. Both options are designed to give you the flexibility to present your best self. Once you've picked the perfect photo, it's time to finalize your choice. Browse your computer to select your photo or snap a quick selfie, and then the most satisfying part, click on Save Photo, and voila. With those simple steps, you've successfully updated your LinkedIn profile picture. Remember, a good profile picture is key to making a strong first impression on LinkedIn, so choose an image that is professionally appropriate and reflects your persona in the business world. Updating your LinkedIn profile picture is a quick and effective way to ensure your online presence is up to date and approachable. Whether you're job searching, networking, or just keeping your profile fresh, a current photo is a crucial component of your LinkedIn strategy. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Updating your LinkedIn photo is just the start. There's so much more you can do to optimize your profile and make the most of your online professional presence.